as you can see right there, those are the scratches on my car, and we're going to be using this scratch remover right here, the Formula 1 scratch out remover, and we're going to test if it works or not. So let's find out. So we're going to be applying the foam onto the cloth, and now we're going to just rub it onto the scratch. As you can see right there, we applied it. Now we just need to buff it. Just like that, it's applied. Now we just rub it with our cloth, and let's see if it works or not. Ooh, wow. So the scratch is barely even noticed. So it did a really nice job. You can't even see the scratch. Wow. It's pretty awesome. Like, the scratches were here before, but you can't see them anymore. Maybe just a little bit, but it's unnoticeable. Like the one that we have here, right here, you can see the scratches. Now let's work on that. So this stuff actually really works. Wow.